In this quick guide, I'll show you how to track partner performance with PartnerStack, a powerful platform designed to streamline and enhance your partner relationships. Whether you're a newbie or looking to optimize your use of PartnerStack, you'll learn exactly what you need to do to effectively monitor and measure your partner's success. PartnerStack offers a centralized system for tracking all your partnerships, so you can easily measure the performance of affiliates, resellers, or other types of partners. With its intuitive dashboard, you'll have access to real-time data that helps you assess how well your partners are doing, ensuring that your efforts lead to results. To start tracking partner performance, you first need to ensure that your partners are properly set up in PartnerStack. This means creating profiles for each of your partners and assigning them specific goals and objectives. Once that's done, you can begin monitoring their activities. You can easily view performance metrics like clicks, conversions, commissions earned, and overall sales through the reporting feature. PartnerStack provides comprehensive data so you can see exactly what's working and where you might need to focus your efforts. Tracking partner performance is simple. Just navigate to the Performance tab and you'll find detailed insights on each partner's activity. Another useful feature for tracking performance is the ability to segment your partners by performance tiers. This allows you to quickly see which partners are delivering the most value, helping you prioritize your efforts. You can even set up custom benchmarks to compare partners against each other or to measure against your business goals. What sets PartnerStack apart is the automation and flexibility it offers. You don't need to manually follow up or chase down metrics. Everything is automatically updated, so you can always have an up-to-date snapshot of your partner's progress. Plus, PartnerStack allows for easy integration with other tools you may already use, so you can get a holistic view of your business. Tracking partner performance also means giving your partners the tools they need to succeed. PartnerStack's dashboard for partners is sleek and user-friendly, allowing your partners to track their own performance, see how they're doing with commissions, and access marketing materials. This not only helps them stay motivated, but also ensures that both parties are on the same page in terms of expectations. And here's the best part. You can use PartnerStack completely free by signing up through the link below. When you do, you'll get exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial that gives you more time to explore the platform and see how it can work for you. Now that you know how to track partner performance with PartnerStack, remember that this platform makes it easy to manage and grow your partnerships effectively. You can fine-tune your strategies, focus on the partners who are driving the most revenue, and ultimately take your partner program to the next level. Make sure to grab your free trial and exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. Happy tracking, and see you in the next video.